We are part of a vast and incredible universe that is estimated to be around 13.8 billion years old. With stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects existing in what appears to be an infinite expanse of space, it is a place full of boundless possibilities and mysteries. The universe is a place that is continually changing. But have you ever wondered what the universe actually is? Well, the universe is everything that exists. It alludes to all that exists, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the grandest cosmic structures. The term the totality of existence, or everything that exists, has existed and will exist, is frequently used to describe the universe. The term universe can also be used to describe concepts like the world, the cosmos, and nature. The universe consists of the whole expanse of space and time, also known as spacetime, including everything within them, such as planets, moons, stars, galaxies, and the objects found in the intergalactic space, gas, dust, black holes, as well as all energy in its different forms, including electromagnetic radiation and other forms of matter and energy, such as dark matter and dark energy. The elements that compose the stars and galaxies in the universe include light elements like hydrogen and helium, which were formed in the centers of stars by nuclear fusion, as well as heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. Atoms and molecules that compose the gas and dust in the universe serve as the foundation for stars and planets. Although the total universe's spatial dimensions are unknown, the size of the visible universe can be measured. The visible universe has a diameter of around 93 billion light-years at the current time. There is a link in the description to a video where I defined a light-year for anyone unfamiliar with what it means. Since galaxies are evenly spread across the universe at the largest scale, neither the edge nor the center can be identified. The movement of galaxies has revealed that there is far more matter in the universe that can be explained by the observable objects, stars, galaxies, nebulas, and interstellar gas. Dark matter is a term for this invisible matter. Dark indicates that although there are several strong indirect signs that it exists, we have not yet directly observed it. It is challenging to identify and analyze the enigmatic forms of matter and energy known as dark matter and dark energy because they do not interact with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation. The universe's most widely accepted model is the lambda CDM, or lambda cold dark matter model. It estimates that approximately 69.2% of the mass and energy in the universe is dark energy and that approximately 25.8% is dark matter. Therefore, the proportion of ordinary or baryonic matter in the universe is just 4.84%. Ordinary matter includes atoms, ions, electrons, and the objects they generate. Ordinary matter consists of stars, interstellar gas in the interstellar and intergalactic medium, planets, and any other objects we can touch, squeeze, or bump into in our daily lives. The vast majority of the universe's ordinary matter is unseen. In fact, only around 6% of the ordinary matter is made up of visible stars, planets, and visible gas clouds found inside galaxies and clusters. The majority of the light we see from galaxies comes from stars. Other components include antimatter and electromagnetic radiation, which is thought to make up between 0.005% and 0.01% of the universe's total mass energy. Black holes are incredibly bizarre and fascinating celestial objects. They are gravitationally bound regions of space so strong that nothing can escape from them, not even light. When huge stars with masses at least 3 times that of the Sun exhaust their fuel and collapse under their own weight, they produce black holes. regions of spacetime with gravitational fields so strong that they warp the fundamental structure of space and time. Black holes are undetectable to the human eye, but their effects on the objects and matter around them can be used to detect them. Black holes drive neighboring stars to orbit them. As matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and releases tremendous radiation that can be seen by telescopes. There are also vast areas of relative void across the universe. The biggest one is estimated to be 1.8 billion light-years or 550 megaparsecs wide. The dominant cosmological explanation for the universe's formation is the Big Bang theory. In accordance with this theory, the Big Bang occurred 13.787 billion years ago. The universe was tremendously hot and dense in its early moments before expanding and cooling. The universe has been expanding ever since. Unlike any expansion we can currently observe, the early universe underwent a unique type of expansion. During this period, the universe expanded even though objects did not physically move apart from one another. Instead, the metric that defines the fabric of space itself changed. The scale of space itself changes and objects are getting farther apart from one another at ever-increasing velocity as the spatial scale of universe's space-time metric increases. The physical laws that govern matter and energy are also a part of the universe. A set of physical laws such as relativity, classical mechanics, conservation laws, gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces govern how these components interact with each other. The general theory of relativity proposed by Albert Einstein explains how gravity behaves and how space and time are curved. Since ancient times, the study of the universe has attracted people's curiosity, motivating brilliant minds to uncover its mysteries and attempt to comprehend its true nature. The effort to comprehend the universe has continued throughout time. From the ancient Greeks, who first examined the night sky and created ideas about it, to current scientists and engineers who utilize cutting-edge technology to study distant stars and galaxies. Our knowledge of the universe and its elements has significantly advanced in recent years. But many questions remain unanswered, and there is still a lot we don't know and a lot of mysteries that need to be cleared out. Every new observation or experiment helps us grasp the origin and nature of the universe, a place of ongoing investigation and discovery. Etymology. The term universe is one of the most fundamental and all-encompassing in the English language. But where does this word come from? What is the origin and etymology of this term? Ancient Greek philosophers from Pythagoras onward used the terms to pan, the all, which was defined as all matter and all space, to olon, all things, which did not necessarily include the void, and o cosmos, the world. The term cosmos originally meant order or harmony. The Greeks held that the universe was a perfectly ordered system that was governed by principles and laws that humanity could comprehend and study. The Greek word symban for the whole world, space and heavenly bodies is an essentialized neuter of the ancient Greek adjective symbas, which meant the whole without exceptions from the words syn, sim, meaning together or with, and pas, meaning each or all. The English word universe comes from the Old French word univers. The Old French term univers has its roots in the Latin word universum. The Latin term universum refers to all things, everything, and is a combination of unus, which means one, and versus, which is the past tense of the verb vertere, which means to turn. Cicero and other Latin authors use the Latin term in many of the same contexts that contemporary English writers do today. Over time, the word universe replaced the term cosmos in usage. In conclusion, the vast and diverse universe that we observe today is composed of a complicated and interconnected combination of matter, energy, and physical laws that interact. Some scientists have proposed various multiverse hypotheses, stating that our universe may be one of numerous other universes which also exist. However, we will discuss this subject more deeply in a subsequent video. Stay tuned! If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. You can also share it on social media. Is there a subject you are super interested in and would like to watch on this channel? Write it in the comments below, please. Click the like button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay up to date with my latest videos. I'm sure you'll find many interesting videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.